Pibora magkas of IP season pan anika channel unon kubor. Te tum tangin pet langka Mbose task kunci pepama to class 10 subject science and technology senam 2025. Te filma ka day ben prapau pas mak di apsa kapor de lakanta. Te ngan chku pli nik diat mag general section. Te kajikli ka day ben san produce kajikli questions 56 questions. Te ka section ka question paper contains 4 sections kadi section A, B, C and D. Section A contains the MCQ multiple choice questions. The section B contains very short answer type questions. Section C contains short answer type questions. Section D contains long answer type questions. The section A can be MCQ. The piap temora. The PE to jigli to input jigli pertama. Ka jigli nikong question 1. PE to elements combined to the above reaction is an example of a cancer grade number. Grade number B, double displacement reaction. The question number 2, what happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron fillings? Cancer grade number A. Hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. Question number 3. One of the constituents of baking powder is sodium hydrogen carbonate. The other constituent is answer number B, tartaric acid. Question number 4. A solution turns red litmus blue. Its pH is likely to be answer number D. Then, question number 5. Which of the following types of medication is needed in treating indigestion? Answer number B, an acid. Question number 6. Generally, non-metals are not lustrous. Which of the following non-metal is lustrous? Answer number D, iodine. The question number 6 or 7. Which among the following alloys contains mercury as one of its constituents? Answer number B, amalgam. The question number 8. Butanone is a 4-carbon compound with a functional group. Answer number D, ketone. The question number 9. While cooking, if the bottom of the vessel is getting blackened on the outside, it means that answer number B, but the fuel is not burning completely. The question number 10. Which of the following metals can replace copper from a solution of copper sulfate? Answer number C, zinc. Question number 11. Saliva contains an enzyme called answer number A, amylase. The question number 12. The breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide, water, and energy takes place in answer number C, mitochondria. Take question number 13. In synapse, chemical signal is transmitted from answer number C, axonal end of one neuron to the right end of another neuron. Take question number 14. Which of the following is a plant hormone? Answer number D, cytokinin. Take question number 15. Sexual reproduction through budding takes place in answer number B, yeast. Question number 16. Which of the following diseases is not sexually transmitted? Answer number D, hepatitis. Question number 17. A trait in an organism is influenced by answer number C, both maternal and paternal DNA. Question number 18. Which of the following is an acquired character? Answer number D, size of the body. Question number 19. Which one of the following is an artificial ecosystem? Answer number B, crop field. Question number 20. Depletion of ozone is mainly due to answer number C, chlorofluorocarbons. Question number 31. The refractive index of water is answer number C, 1.33. Question number 22. A full-length image of a distant tall building can definitely be seen by using answer number B, convex mirror. Question number 23. In torches, searchlights, and headlights of vehicles, the bulb is placed answer number B, very near to the focus of the reflector. Question number 24. In the human eye, the part which allows light to enter into the eye is answer number B, pupil. Question number 25. The band of colors obtained by splitting of white light is called answer number B, spectrum. Question number 26. Myopia occurs due to answer number B, decrease in focal length of the eye lens. Question number 27. Kilowatt hour is the unit of answer number D, electrical energy. Question number 28. An electric bulb connected to 220 volt generator carries a current of 0.5 A. The power of the bulb is answer number B, 110 volt. 10 watt. 110 watt. Question number answer number B. Question number 29. The most important safety method used for protecting home appliances from short circuiting or overloading is answer number B, use of fuse. Question number 30. Force on current carrying conductor in a magnetic field depends on answer number B, direction of the magnetic field and current. Section B, very short answer questions. pihak jet sebetulnya lawan into kadai baik nampak ada 31 ada 43 pihak choose any 10 from them usually in the dia ada 43 31 ada 43 pihak section C kadai short answer type questions and 6 from them kan answer and 6 muka shong 3 marks kawai dia kadai ada 44 ada 51 pihak choose untuk any 6 pihak section D kadai long answer type questions pihak choose untuk any 3 from them 52 ada 54 kadai 4 mark kawai tu 52 ada 54 dengan kawai pat kam pimde ben jubah ben ayat ben talk di ka for visually impaired candidate only due of caption number 54 dia kuis ni pi baru iba page in video nak apa dia pi share ni video kan dia cinta lang video dia kuis ni pi baru